guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, Simply Natural Chi here. Today I'm going to be telling you guys of how to start a YouTube channel. It's a very easy step. It's not really and you can't do everything at once. It's just step by step. You keep discovering new things, but I'm going to tell you the main things you should do. Now, the very first important step in creating a YouTube channel is creating a Google account. If you have created a Google account already, you don't really have to. So if you want to create a Google account, just go to your Google, then put your email, your name and everything, anything they ask of you, input it. From there, it's very easy. Your Google account will be created because your YouTube is going to be attached to your Google account. You understand? So you have to create a Google account first. That's the first most important step. It's very good so that they can identify you easily and your account will not be mismanaged or hacked or anything. This is your YouTube channel. I'm going to be using this phone as example. This is YouTube. You go to the top right corner of your phone. This is it. You click on this place. This is my channel. So I'll click on it. As you can see, this is what is showing. Okay, so this is my channel, your channel. Instead of your channel, what they'll write for you is create channel normally, but they wrote your channel because I've already created my channel. Now I'll click on my channel. This is my channel, Simply Natural Chi, right? So yeah, what you are going to do is that you click on this part of your phone. After you have clicked on your channel, you click on this part. By that time, you don't have anything yet on your YouTube. It's just your email and everything if you have a Google account. The first thing I did was to write my description. I wrote my description. I'm a content creator in Lagos, natural hair content, lifestyle and others. So like I said, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you're going to create a channel. By that time, you see your name tag. Your name tag will just be your email. So you change it to any choice, any brand of your. If it's a brand, you change it to your brand name. If it's your real name, you change it to your real name. This is it. So I changed my name to Simply Natural Chi. Now I'm going to tell you how you can upload your photo. You click on this place on upload a new photo. This is my photo, or you can do this in the YouTube studio. Then this is the banner. This is the banner. So I wrote natural hair content and DIY tutorials, but now I'm doing lifestyle content too. So I think I'm going to change it. But I'm still doing natural hair content. This is it. So I'm going to go to the YouTube studio and show you other things you can do because that is a very important step. This one is just creating it and this is just the beginning. Now, what you want to do, make sure you have a Chrome app. This is Chrome. You click on it, then you write studio.youtube.com. Now I'm going to write it. So when you have gone to studio.youtube.com, this is what you will see. Continue to studio. You click on it. Look at it. So this is where it will lead me to. Just watch. It's loading. So when you click on it, you're going to see your channel dashboard. This is the channel dashboard. Look at it. I don't know if it's clear enough, but this is the channel dashboard. So in your channel dashboard, you see your analytics, your achievements, your published videos, your latest posts, and other things like your latest comments, your recent subscribers, and stuff like that. Look at it. So what you want to do now, there is a place at the left part of your phone. Now, you're going to click on this one that has something like pencil. You're going to edit. Like, you click on it. This is it. It's this down part. Then you are going to start your branding, your YouTube branding. It's very important to start your YouTube branding. So this is my channel customization. You have to customize your channel. This is channel customization. Then click on branding. This is branding. You click on it. This is the branding. Then that's how, this is my DP. You're going to change your profile picture to your own, any one of your choice, and they recommend that you use a picture that is at least 98 times 98 pixels and 4 MB or less. It must not be more than 4 MB. It must be 4 MB and less. Now for the banner image, this is the banner image, the one that will appear behind your profile photo. The minimum size for the banner image is 2048 times, I think, 1152 pixels. Anything more than that is not going to fit in. It's going to cut it off half, or YouTube is not going to accept it. So it must be 2048 plus times 1152 pixels. Look at it. Then also you can put your video watermark, like Simply Natural Chinama. Your watermark is those things that logo you put on top your channel while you're making a video. So after that, then you go to the next one, which is basic info. I've already clicked on it. This is basic info. Can you see it? Yes, showing that this is basic info after I'm done with my branding. Now your basic info is your name, which is, my name is Simply Natural Chi, right? Chi. Then the next one is your description. This is my description. I've already written it. Then this is like everything, my channel URL and everything, and my email. And when you're done with that, now the next step, I think that's the basic step you have to take to create a YouTube channel. For this part of YouTube, this place has many things. If you want to see your front page, your YouTube studio has it. This is all these places. If you want music, if you want to see analytics, if you want a copyright, I just clicked on my copyright. I don't have any copyright, so they said nothing to see yet. This is where you do all the editing I just showed you, and this is music. If you want a background music, this is it. You click on it. Then these are the comments you see on your YouTube channel. This is the comments. You click on it if you want to see your comments. But you can also see your comment on your YouTube page. When you post a video, you see your comments under. Then yeah, when you want to see, you have to do this two-step verification in order for your channel to be protected. Now I'm going to show you where your two-step verification is. Your two-step verification is under your monetization information. Look at it. I clicked on monetization. It's like $sign. Now when you become a partner with YouTube, you get to earn money, right? You can watch people will watch your ad, you earn money from it. You become do a membership program where people will be members of a channel. Now the next one is how to become a member and partner with YouTube. That is getting monetized. The requirement for getting monetized on YouTube is having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now if you want to check whether you have reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you will check this place, this left side I told you about. Look at it. You click on the $sign to see you can see the requirements. When you become a partner with YouTube, people can watch your ads and you get paid for them watching your ads. And membership, create a fan club of members paying monthly for access to exclusive perks on your channel. Or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your long form videos, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your short views. Do you understand? Your short views, YouTube shorts. Some people don't even upload anything on their long form content. They just create short videos and they get paid for it if they reach up to 10 million views, which is the requirements. It's not going to be really easy, but you have to keep on working hard for it. Some people they get it faster, some people it takes time. You just have to be patient and consistent. Consistency is the key to get these requirements. And mind you, by the way, please, I mean 527 subscribers, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like my video so it to go viral, and also click on notification button to get notified when I post a video. The next one I'm going to be talking about is how YouTube is going to, the strikes YouTube will give you when you do certain things. Like now, if you copy somebody's content and person sees your content, or YouTube sees you copy someone's content, you're going to get a copyright strike if you copy a content. So make sure you don't copy your content, or you put a disclaimer that it is not yours. And your background music, there will be no background music from your wherever you're creating. You have to make sure that your music is from YouTube music. There's something called YouTube music, which is still at this the left part of your phone. All these places, you can see YouTube music, the last one here. Click on it, you see so many choices of music, whether it's blues, R&B, rock and roll, anyone. So, or quiet music. Now, even if you want to use music, maybe Davido on available, all those ones, I feel like it's a higher something you subscribe for, or a higher you subscribe for it and everything. But don't just start playing song just like that, song, and you don't have the copyright information or anything so that you put in the description box, because you need the copyright information of that song if it's not from YouTube, and you need to put it in your description box. But if it's YouTube music, YouTube is going to just put it there for you if it's from their own library, their music library. If you get 3 copyright strikes, YouTube will take down your channel and any other channel you have created before. YouTube will take down your channel. So make sure you have to follow the YouTube guidelines. Also, don't copy people's content. Be original, create your own content and be yourself. And if you have a copyright claim, YouTube will not bring down your account. They'll just say you have a copyright claim. And if you are like, oh no, I didn't copy it, it's my content and everything, you can send an email to them or something, or click on it. They're going to remove the copyright claim to claim that, okay, this is not copyright, this is my own original content. And again, don't put sensitive content like nudity and vulgar content, violent or dangerous content, and misinformation, spreading rumors, all those things, because they will bring down your channel. Now, these are just the basic steps you need to follow to create a YouTube channel, and that's just it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you are thinking of creating a YouTube channel, why not? You can create a YouTube channel, and later on you can start making money from YouTube by being consistent and creating good content and with good quality. Oh my god, anything you have, start with it. Even if it's a camera phone, an Android, anyone, iPhone. You don't have an iPhone or your camera is not good, you can use your siblings' phones or anything if you want to really start YouTube. Thanks for watching, and ensure you subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.